Welcome. Today's session. Check. Confirm whether I'm live. So I want to start. Okay, now I'm live. I want to break down today's session and how you could have taken part in today's Monday trades. Being Monday, let's see price action. So Monday, pretty much price action was choppy. There was no clear structure. So I tried to watch some pairs. I was watching Euro USD, GBP USD. Then I decided to just sleep, and I had some issues, so I could not focus on trading. They say you have to journal your feelings before and after while you're entering a trade. So I didn't have a chance to do all this. So for now, I'm going to break down a trade I took today, and we are going to see what happened. This is GBP USD, GBP CAD. Remember the candles I told you to focus on? 159, okay? This is 1 a.m. candle, 5 a.m. candle, and the 9 a.m. candle. Remember what I told you? We always wait for the candles to close. This is UTC -4, New York Standard Time. You wait for this candle to close, the 1 a.m. candle. If it is purged, let's say this high of the 1 a.m. is taken, then you look for trades to look for the opposing end. If it is not, we do not enter. So I didn't get an opportunity here. Waited for it to end. Now wait for the 5 a.m. candle. If this 5 a.m. candle ends and takes this low, then we can take this trade. If we cannot take this trade, then if it is not paid, we don't get involved. So there was no opportunity on 1 a.m., no opportunity on the 5 a.m., but there was an opportunity at the end of 5 a.m. So what did I tell you? You wait for the candle to close. If you have your key levels marked, you can always anticipate whether you will have a purge or not. So if I remove all this, let me first remove all this. You see that we have this order block right here. This is an imbalance, and this candle came and rebalanced this price range. So this is a valid order block right here. This is a key level. You can take the body, you can take the wick, depending on how you feel. Sometimes I can use any. So in this case, what I like to do is mark the body and the wick, and I see where I'm having a reaction from. So what I did is I had my key level marked here. I waited for this 1 a.m. candle to close. This the day was ending, and I had not gotten any trade, and I was targeting this high. If this 1 a.m. is, I told you, closure of the candle 1 a.m. After having all this, I go down to the 15. Remember, this 9 a.m. has not yet opened, but I have marked my 1 a.m. candle, okay, before this one opens. Now I go down to the 15 minutes. I've tapped into the key level. This is good. Are all our conditions fulfilled? Probably yes. This is where the 1 a.m. candle, the 5 a.m. candle closed. Okay. We go back to the 1 hour or 4 hour. You see, we wait for this 5 a.m. candle to close. We are trading the 9 a.m. Okay. Take note of that. We wait for that candle to close, and we are trading the 5 a.m. So this is the first 15 minutes of the 9 a.m. candle. You wait. You see, the first 15 minutes like this. You see, this is our key level. This is the wick. This is the body. Okay. What I want to see a reaction on this. Even when we close below here, I'm not interested in taking price or doing anything until we tap into a key level. But we've taken out all this liquidity, and even all this liquidity we have tapped into a key level. Now what I wait is for this thick down close candle. Once this thick down close candle is broken above, the moment you break above this down close candle, that's your confirmation that now there is a change in state of delivery. this down close candle. This is the end of the candle that was purged, and it was purged between 9 to 9 and 9:45, which is good. We have extra confluences. So what I waited for, you see this candle came and it failed. So if you took this trade here, you would fail. Now this candle came and purged. I was looking at the charts. I wanted to take the trade, but there was no opportunity. So now this candle purged it, now broke above this candle. What I did is to look for now a long position, put my buy limit at this order block right here, just right here. I put this buy limit. Pretty much I was not expecting any trades today. I was like, maybe it will not even have me, it will just go, and my stop loss was below this low here. And I was watching price, then I went for a walk. After putting my buy limit, I was targeting right here. I didn't go up this side here, but I was targeting a 3 risk reward. Went for a walk. When I was going for a walk, I saw price had come up here. Then it reversed immediately. So this was my trade like this. So price tapped me, then it came out to almost hit my stop loss. But the good thing, I'm not looking at the charts, so that's why you have to set and forget. Okay, I put my limit and I went for a walk. Now on coming back, I saw what I saw was good. I think I took some partials around here. I took some partials here, right here. Took off some partials. Now when we reached here, I took like 3 partials because I always want to take something off. When we reached here, right here, price started resisting. I saw that it's not possible, may not reason reach up here. So when this candle closed right here, I took off my position. So this was the 5 a.m. model with extra confirmation. You see that? You always wait for the candle to close. You trade the open of the next candle, and you want to ignore the first 15 minutes. Okay, the macro. Trade the next 15 minutes. Okay. I had my limit right here, but I saw that price was going to leave me. So most times when you leave your limit, I had my limit at the midpoint of this order block right here. I would have gotten a high risk reward, but sometimes price will just leave you. You will not get that thing. So you see, that's why they say you take 50% off and move your stop loss to break even. Now, if you had not moved your stop loss to break even and right now you're still waiting for the market, you see now you will be, the price would have already turned to your position and almost taking you out. So I closed all my positions right here at this point right here, and this candle reversed. So this setup, GBP CKD, it is a, we had a similar setup. Let me show you. Same hours, you look for a pair which has extra confirmation. When we look at GBP, and I sent this signal in the group. I think I told them GBP USD. So when you have you should journal this in your notes that when you have GBP USD, okay, at the same time you're looking for these trades, okay, it is the same time, okay. You do not look for these trades at different times, okay. Now this is GBP USD, like I told you. You wait for 5 a.m. candle close. This 5 a.m. candle close. You see here, this is the closure. If we mark up here, I'm going to make it thick. That when you go down to the lower time frame, you're able to see it. Let me just make this thick. So it has closed. Wait for it to hit a key level. Now you see where is that key level? We have this low right here. Okay. We told you key levels are swing highs and swing lows. You see this swing low here is a key level. Why is it even a key level? We have extra confluences. Do you see this fair value gap that has been inverted? Okay. This is also a key level. It can be a support price to go up. Once we break above, this can act as support. So we have this swing, we have this inverse fair value gap. They are all supporting price. So we go down to the 15 minutes. We've also taken this here at low. This is 1 a.m. Imagine we have 1 a.m. being taken. We have 5 a.m. being taken. Those are extra conferences. We just go down to the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, this is 1 a.m. being taken. On the 15 minutes, for those of you who are struggling with confirmation and entry model 1, this is a clear example of model 1 entry. You see this candle, let me remove this. You see this candle here, right here, purged and tapped into the key level. What is the key level? I told you swing lows are key levels, okay? Now this candle that took out this swing low right here, you want to observe price at that point. Once you break above this candle, okay, by a 15 minutes close and break above, this is your entry, model 1 entry. This is model 1 entry, okay? And you are going to have pairs, all these setups occurring at the same time, at the same place, the same things. You have to look for one which has extra confluences. Now you see this kind of trade. Why not take GBP USD? What is the high? We're taking up to this high. It did not have a high risk reward. If you look at this week right here, this is giving us 1.1 hours, but you could still use the order block right here. Like, I don't expect, if this market is going to go up, I do not expect it to violate the midpoint of this order block right here. So you would move your stop loss to around here. But this wasn't a good one because it had the risk reward was not what? Wasn't good. Moving on to, that's why I did not get GBP USD, but it's the same setup for GBP CAD and they are moving in the same direction, okay? Those are the criteria I use. You could still have gotten this one if you were on the lower time frame. The moment this 15-minute candle closes, you got the lower time frame on the 5-minute. In the 5 minutes, you would get, I think, pretty much here. Immediately this candle closed, you would get a better entry, I think. But still, it wasn't that good, so that's why I left this trade. So we had one trade today, and I maximized it. I made $200 on it in my field account. So this is my map of what testing. You see this? This is Monday's price action. Where do you think it's going? We leave it to play out. Tomorrow we'll have greater opportunities. And remember, this week we have news. And yeah, I'm waiting for this market to reach here. Then I look for sales. This is now our new dealing range. We reached 50% of this. So we may have a reaction after taking out this low at this other block right here. We can have something. We'll have some good trades this week. So when you have GBP USD and the market is selling, or if it is buying, you want to buy GBP USD. You have the same setups on Euro USD, EUR USD. When you have Euro USD, the same setups at the same time, the same candles, and you are selling, you want to sell Euro USD. You ask me why, I'll show you why. Look at this move right here. This is a short position. Imagine you sold from this 1 a.m. candle high. We are going to get the same pair down. Imagine you are you had your confluences and you were selling Euro USD. You see what you have here. You have 10.29 risk reward up to this time. Let's go on to the GBP USD. GBP USD. This is how you're going to look for which pairs to sell. Same thing, 4 hours. Okay. You're looking for a pair to sell. You see here, this candle here, 5 a.m. and you want to sell. this is a stronger pair. Okay, you see how much more money I would have made on Euro USD. And when you're choosing setups, okay, this is just 4 point what? You see that? This is 5, but you have 10R on Euro USD. You watch this, you see guys, watch this, Euro USD. This one is a good pair to sell. See, this is 4 hours, same setup. So if the market is selling, you want to sell Euro USD. If the market is buying, you want to buy GBP USD. Okay? You gauge which one is at a key time and you look for which one you want to get involved. Watch all these two pairs. Now on gold, we had the same thing on gold, but gold did not give us a confirmation, so I exited my limit orders. XAU USD. Gold did give us a setup. We pretty hard match all our confirmations. Pretty much all is retracing. You see, this candle, 5 a.m. Wait for it to close, and when it has closed, we go down to the lower time frame. And just put back this. Remove this. On the 5 a.m. candle closure, you mark out its low and you wait the low to be taken. And when it is taken, you mark out the key level. And what? Where is our key level? We have this swing low. We have this order block right here. Remember, this order block tapped into this fair value. This is a key level. Look for key levels. Okay. This is our key level. And we go down the 15 minutes. Now, on the 15 minutes, this is what happened. So I told you to always look for the candle that tapped into the key level to be broken. Okay, this candle, for you to have extra confirmation. Once this candle is broken above, now we're looking at our mode, trading mode. So let me make this short. You see, this candle was broken. Okay, so once this was broken, I put my limit orders right here. I put my limit orders right here on this kit over here with my stop loss below here, and I was targeting 3R. But you see I was targeting this point, but then I was like, it's okay. Let me put 3R, I can always push along the way. So what happened is that price did not tap me in. Okay. And if we measure our 4-hour candle, when you measure our 4-hour candle with our fib, from this high up to this low, okay, you're supposed to be partialing at 50%, and the order flow was bearish. I did not want to get involved since I had already made my $200 for the day, and we were almost reaching equilibrium here, but we were struggling. You see, we are printing small candles, but the bearish move is pretty much strong. So I cancelled my orders, and yeah, that is how today went. Tomorrow we have better opportunities, and we'll try to maximize them. So that's it, guys. So take home today. Take home. Let's go to the GBP USD. What you should master generally. GBP USD. Take home. GBP USD. This is your take home. Okay. This is what you want to go away with. Let me not remove my analysis. Let me just remove this. Take home. told you when we are selling, we want to sell Euro USD, and when we are buying, we want to buy GBP USD because they always have the similar setups. Now the candles we trade 1 a.m., 5 a.m., and 9 a.m. We can trade all these candles, but we want to trade after purge of one side. Okay, 1 a.m. If this 5 a.m. had purged this 1 a.m. right here, we could have had a setup to sell this, but we did not have what? A purge, so we had no setup. Okay, that is how our setups will always be. After break of this high, we at a key level, and then we sell lower. Have a confirmation on this one, on this 1 a.m. candle. Once it's closed, we wait for this 5 a.m. candle close. Now, if this 5 a.m. candle had swept this liquidity and given us another entry model, we would buy. There was no opportunity. Now we wait for the 9 a.m. candle. The 9 a.m. candle purged this low, also purged this low, and it gave us confirmation. You go down the 15 minutes, look for the candle that tapped into the key level. Okay, this is our key level right here. Swing lows are key levels. Okay, see how the market has created this. See that? It's a key level. If this 1 a.m. candle, 9 a.m. candle closes, now we want to be done with our trades, okay? Because the key levels have key times of trade have happened. So this 1 p.m. candle is not high probability because market has closed and so it's a man. But if this candle had purged this high here, we would still trade it. So what we are seeing that this candle here, the 1 p.m. candle, has purged this 9 a.m. candle. Where do you want us to see? Where do we see a key level? On the key level, we want to go to the daily and look for our key levels. Okay, we can go on a daily, look for our key levels. But this market is retracing up at least 50%. This is our key level right here. So I'm waiting for this market to be discounted before I can buy. Otherwise, it is better to look for sales. If I can get a total soup sale, I will be happy to sell. But for now, I'm not interested in buying. Even when we purge this and because it will be low probability, there's a lot of liquidity down here. So if we go down to the 15 minutes, you see this candle has purged this, but going back to the 4 hour, we have this fair value gap. I'm looking for key levels. This fair value gap here, the midpoint is right and is in line with this fair value gap right here. If it is to go higher, price could be supported to go higher from right here. If not, we are expecting a retracement up at least 50%, and I'll be looking for total soups to sell lower. If I don't get total soups to sell, I'm not interested until when I reach 50%, look for buys. So you see, we have tapped into this fair value gap, and also we have this order block right here. So I would want to ideally price to tap into this order block before I can be interested. On the 15 minutes, can go down to 15 minutes. If this was our key level, how do we frame model 1 entry? Model 1 entry, we would wait. If this was our key level, we would wait for price to take out this, break above this candle, and remove this. If this is for entry confirmations, for those of you who are struggling with model 1 entries, if assuming that I wanted to trade this is what I would wait for. I would wait for price, but I'm not doing this because the time is not right. I would wait for price to break above this with a 15-minute body closure, and I would take, it would be like this, then tap into the other block to continue higher. This would be my confirmation. if this was the right time of purge and the right candle to take this candle higher. I always aim for 3 hour. So that's it, guys, and we'll see what tomorrow will bring. We always avoid trading Monday, and we look forward to tomorrow. Have a good night.